Yo, what is going on, you guys? It is Garrett Fankhauser with FFLFunnels.com. It has been a minute since I have been able to jump in here. We spent last week at Disneyland, so that was super fun. But it's good to be back with you guys. I just saw something that I thought was really cool, that's being used by somebody else in a different niche for marketing through Facebook. And so I wanted to immediately jump in here and share what I saw and my findings with you guys and try to come up with ways that you guys can actually use this for your marketing in your business, right? So I'm sure you guys have seen the at highlight feature that Facebook has. I'm going to show you a really cool way that I've just seen somebody use this to actually get in front of a lot more people. So I'm going to share my screen. This is going to be a short one, guys. I have a coaching call that I need to jump into. Let me go over here. Let me go over here. Cool. So, right here, check this out, guys. So this is Dodge Durango Club, right? So this is a car dealership. Check this out, though. It says holiday surprise. We would like to give back to our friends, so we're giving the Durango to someone who types at, then clicks on highlight, valid through the next 5 days, right? This is from December 10th, so this is only 2 days ago. This is still a valid thing at this point. Check it out though, right? So there's 12,000 comments on this, right? Obviously, I don't expect y'all to give away a fucking car, right? Realistically, like this is a different, whole different ballgame, right? They're using this as really cheap advertising, right? But there's 12,000 comments, right? And each one of these comments is most likely going to have huge reach because when people type in highlight, this is the one that I saw, I got notified, right? I came to this post, right? So it does work. It might be annoying as hell, which most of the time these are. Like a lot of this shit that I get, it's like at highlight and it's like diet pills and other spammy stuff, right? But guys, what I want you guys to realize is that when you see shit like this, think of this and apply it to like your business in your situation, right? You could give away a box or a brick of 22, right? I know that that's $30 or whatever it is now. Like bricks are not what they used to be, probably $50 now. I don't even know. But check it out, guys. For like $30, if you give something away that's valuable enough that people give a shit and they're going to like do this, you can potentially get in front of a lot of people, both locally and like if they have reach outside of your local area. This could put you in front of thousands of people for like 30 to $50. If some of you guys really want to push this hard, have it open for more than 5 days and give away something like super valuable, like give away a gun or something, right? Give away like a Glock 19 or something that, at dealer cost is like $440. I don't know what they are now, but that's what they used to be. Um, give away something bigger and more people are going to play this game. But look at this. I mean, like if you see this and the instructions are simple, like we're giving away this thing. Here's how you can enter, right? There's like this doesn't need to be a super crazy post. Like picture this as a picture of a Glock 19 that you could probably, I mean, I would put your own photo there. That way it looks more legit than just like grabbing a screen grab from like Glock's website or whatever. But like put a picture of a gun that you guys have in stock that you're willing to give away and make sure that this gets in front of enough people though, right? So if you're going to give away a $500 gun or $400 gun, make sure that you are able to get this in front of enough people for it to make sense, right? If you're just doing like a brick of 22 or like a couple boxes of 9 mil or like what I might even do would be like a plastic ammo can, which is probably like $10 at dealer cost, and then maybe fill it up with 9 mil, right? Maybe it costs you $150 at dealer cost, or maybe even a little bit less than that. But like something like that that's going to be super cool looking in the photo, make the photo look dope so people are interested in it, and then just give them simple instructions and just be like, yo, tag as many people as possible. We're going to give away this thing. I would even put like if you were giving away something that, people knew, I don't even know what a Durango costs, but if it were me, I would put a $39,000 value, right? for this. But like with what you guys do, like I would put whatever you're giving away, put the retail value of it, right? So if it's the ammo can with the 9 mil in it, put like a $479 value, right? So you have these same types of instructions and then put a whatever value. I'm going to actually grab the link to this and I'm going to put it in the comments of this video so that you guys can access this and see this for yourself, right? So that you guys could potentially do something like this, right? This is how my brain thinks when I see this type of stuff. The first thing I do is like, this is really cool. This is working really well. There's 12,000 comments, but these are just comments, right? So people that have seen this, like me, that aren't going to like or comment or share it, there's probably 50,000, there's probably 100,000 people that have seen this post, right? So the first thing that I do is I look at this type of stuff, being a marketer and in sales and stuff, and I think, how can I share this with you guys so that you guys can make a fuck ton of money using this type of stuff? Right? That's literally how I think about this. Like, how can we use this to help you guys? And how can I potentially incorporate something like this into what we deliver to our clients? Maybe do it for them or whatever it is, right? Or put together an SOP or a template around it. Um, so that you guys can like hit some big wins with this stuff. But this is one that I haven't seen before, and this is a knockout right here. This is like knocking it out of the park. 12,000 comments. My guess is that there's 100,000 people or more that have viewed this, right? Because like this dude right here that tagged me, like I don't even necessarily know who this is, right? So it's like I'm still seeing this post. Cool. That's all I have for you guys today. I wanted to share this with you because this is super, super beneficial and super powerful to do this type of stuff. Like I said, I will put the link to this post in the comments. So when you guys want to, you can actually check it out, see how it all works. Um, Give it a shot, right? Try something like this. I think that it can help you, especially right now around Christmas. Hey, we're giving this away for, this one says holiday surprise. Hey, we're giving this away for Christmas or whatever it is, right? If this works out, my only ask is that, well, two asks. One, like, comment, share. Help me with this video. Put this video in front of more people. If you guys are watching on YouTube, same thing. Like, comment, subscribe, that type of stuff. Super helpful. The other thing though is that if you do this and it works, let me know. Like I want to know if this is working for you guys. I would love to hear some success stories from this type of stuff. Cool. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.